I have a question for you. Do you know the difference between generative AI and agentic AI? It's a question that's starting to matter more than ever because these two approaches are shaping the future of how we work, create, and even think with machines. So let's break it down. We're all pretty familiar with generative AI by now. Chatbots, image generators, text to code tools, you prompt it, it responds. Simple. At its core, generative AI is reactive. It waits for you to do something. Specifically, it waits for a prompt. Once it gets one, it uses the patterns it's learned from mountains of training data to generate something: text, code, images, audio, whatever fits the context. These systems are like turbocharged pattern matchers. They have studied massive data sets, and when you feed them with a prompt, they predict what should come next. But once that output is generated, their job is done. They don't move unless you say so. Now, let's flip the script. Agentic AI is proactive. Yes, it might start with a prompt just like generative AI, but it does not stop there. An agent interprets your goal and then takes a series of steps to accomplish it. All on its own. It's not just answering a question, it's deciding what needs to happen next. Think of it like generative AI gives you one suggestion. Agentic AI creates a plan and then starts checking off the boxes. It's a system with a life cycle. It perceives the situation, decides what to do, takes action, observes the results, and learns from the outcome. Then it loops again. Minimal human input required. Now here's the twist. Both types of AI often share the same foundation: large language models or LLMs. LLMs are the brains behind the chatbots, but they are also the reasoning engines behind agentic systems. And when you add LLMs into agents, you unlock something called chain of thought reasoning. Now let's pause there because this part is a key. Chain of thought reasoning is where things get interesting. Instead of it just giving an answer, the agent breaks down the problem step by step, kind of like how you talk through a tough decision out loud. Let's say you want an AI agent to organize a conference. It starts thinking, okay, first I need event requirements, size, budget, dates. Next, I'll research venues. Then I'll filter by availability and cost. After that, I'll check vendors for food, equipment, and staff. That's chain of thought reasoning in action. The agent is thinking through the problem before acting. Powered by LLM might have helped you to write a blog post yesterday. And here's where it gets real. Generative AI is perfect for tasks like writing, designing, and ideation. YouTube creators use it to draft script, brainstorm thumbnails, and even generate background music. But the human is always there, guiding the process, reviewing each output, and making the final calls. The AI gives you options and you do the curation. Agentic AI, on the other side, thrives in a multi-step, ongoing process. Take personal shopping agent for example. You tell it what you need, it checks multiple websites, compares prices, tracks sales, makes the purchase, arranges the delivery. It only checks in with when you need it to. That's autonomy and that's agentic AI. And these systems are becoming more flexible. An agent can plan, decide, retrieve data from the web, analyze it, and act, all while using GenAI under the hood to reason through it all. So, what's the future? Not either, but it's both. The most powerful AI system won't just generate answers. They'll understand when to generate ideas and when to take action. They'll be collaborators, half creative partner, half creating of operations manager. An AI that helps you write fan fiction before work and books your meeting room after. Maybe it's already written in the next chapter. I am Omar from Supervity, and thank you for exploring these different types of AI with me, and I'll see you in the next segment.